guys, Naru here. Welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. This is Scratch tutorial number 13, and this is currently being made at the beginning or right shortly after Scratch tutorial number 12 came out. So I was playing around with the pen tool a little bit more, and I kind of remembered that you can make a little something called a mandala. So this is going to be a really short video. The next video, I promise, it will be more pen tool, but it will be a lot longer because there's going to be multiple segments to it. This is what we call a mandala. So basically, even though it looks really complicated, it really isn't. So first of all, you're going to want to start with the resetting, right? And then over here, you have to repeat 25 times because this is just moving in a full circle. That's, pretty simple stuff. Repeat 4. So this is how you make a square. And then this is just turning it a little bit more to the side. So that's just a really simple, mechanic right there. And then after it turns all 25 times all the way around into a full circle in purple, which this happens right here, it will do the exact same thing in blue, but instead with triangles. As you can see, this is a 3 instead of a 4. And then always have the pen up, glide to the side for cool cinematic stuff, and then hide. And yeah, that's basically it. So this is a really short video, probably going to be less than 2 minutes. Also, one thing I do want to point out, you can turn on turbo mode under the edit, and it will do it instantly. So you don't need to wait for all the pen to actually play out. But I like to watch it play out. So if you guys did enjoy today's super small mini-sode, which I'm still going to count as an episode because why not? Hit the like button down below. Subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications because I will be trying to upload a lot more often. This is just a mini-sode, so not every video will be less than 5 minutes short. Thank you for watching, and peace.